Good morning guys, how's it going? Today I have a very awesome video to show you two of my friends' rims on my car to see what it would look like. The wheels aren't balanced, so I would have to get them balanced before my friend installs it on his car. If he does install the rims, he may or may not need a wheel alignment, so I'll have to check on that. So I have two of the rims out here right now. They're both BBS's 17x8 ET20s with a positive 20 offset. This one's missing a cap for the air thing. The guy who sold my friend the rims, he put about 40 to 45 psi in each set of tires, so I may have to loosen the air by a little because I know stock tires on BMWs run at 38 to 40 psi. Alright, so these rims, they actually pop out a little more. So positive 20 offset, they sit flush with the car. I was gonna install the front rims too, but I guess not because I'm really short on time right now. So this is what you guys are seeing right now. Not bad. So I'm gonna reinstall the old tires. I'll save it for another day where I can make it like a full video on all four tires. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, peace, stay golden.